what's up guys, I'm Rahima and all Sassa beneficiaries better be listening because I have a good update for you. It's been announced that Sassa Gold Cards won't expire coming December. Career Sport Leisure one-stop shop when it comes to finding learnerships, internships and bursaries, as well as any information you may need about studying in your future career. Postbank has announced that all Sassa Gold Cards will continue to function normally to pay Sassa grants beyond December 2023. This means that beneficiaries won't have to renew their Sassa Gold Cards. Earlier this year, it was revealed that there are approximately 5.3 million cards due for replacement by 31st of December 2023. Many of these gold cards have already expired, and while beneficiaries should continue using these cards until the end of the year after Sassa has extended the validity of Sassa Gold Cards, there are uncertainty about what would happen to expired gold cards during next year. The announcement from Postbank means that millions of people can continue using the Sassa Gold Cards even if they have expired. Don't forget that Sassa Gold Cards can be used to withdraw Sassa grants from a wide network of the country's ATMs of any bank, as well as several retailers such as Boxer, Pick n Pay, USafe, Spar and ShopRite. Sassa has reminded grant beneficiaries that no retailer or shop has the right to force beneficiaries to make a purchase. This comes after concerns were raised that grant beneficiaries were being forced to make purchases before they could access their grant money. Sassa Gold Cards offer various transaction benefits such as free withdrawals in retail shops and pre-statements, empowering beneficiaries and saving on transaction costs. Sassa has said that you are entitled to your full Sassa grant payment and you have every right to use the money as you deem necessary. To find out everything you may need to know about Sassa, grant payments or even the 350 grant, watch our other videos or head to our website www.careersportal.co.za. Comment down below if you have any questions and don't forget to like this video and click the subscribe button.